Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Epson printer to your laptop or PC. So first of all, open a web browser and go to epson.com. Now once you're here on the top navigation bar, click on support. And then here, click on printers. If you have a printer, of course. If you have a scanner, then click scanners. For this application, we're talking about printers, so click on it. Now here, search by your product name. You will see that on the side, on the front, or even at the bottom of your printer. Just enter your product name here, and then once you see it, just click on that model. For example, here, let's check XP225. And then here on downloads, choose an operating system. If you're using a Mac, Linux, or Windows, for this example, let's choose Windows 11 because that's the common. And then here on drivers, click that plus button, and then printer driver for Win64-bit or for macOS or for Linux. Just click on download. It will ask you to agree to the SLA. Just click download and then run that application file you just downloaded. And once you're done, then connect the printer using Wi-Fi or maybe USB cable, and then you're done.